What's going on, guys? Today on the chopping block, got sort of an unboxing video for you guys. Let's take a look. I'm gonna open her up with the Kershaw Mini Iridium that we just took a look at a few days ago. Is, guys. Got that sucker from Amazon. Scrolling through, found it. I paid $20 for this guy, and it looked like it might be a promising little cheap knife, so let's open it up. Again, that's by virenknife. Virenknife. I'm honestly not sure. Oh, got a nice little bag. Cleaning cloth. Look at that sucker right there. First glance, I've got my micarta scales, reversible pocket clip. Actually does have a little filler plate in there. Nice little touch. Let's open it up here. Got the double thumb studs, some jimping on the back. It's got a drop point blade. Crossbar lock. Ooh, I don't see some full liners in there. It's got partial liners. Comes down to about here. Yeah. Got your lanyard hole. The blade steel is 14C 28N. Pretty good steel for a budget knife. And you can see the grind marks on the finish there, but it's done pretty good. I like that. The thumb studs appear to be just loose as all get out. Maybe we can tighten those up. Maybe in another video I'll take this sucker apart, kind of see what's going on in there. That is wild. The pocket clip does not screw into anything, I believe, but the micarta. Whew. And it feels a lot like the Walmart bug out in the action. It's not the best, but I mean, for a $20 knife, it's got the $10 action. Bit of a hot spot here for me as a lefty, but when I go to the right hand, that clip kind of sits right in there nice, so maybe I might have to switch it over. See how long this guy lasts. Let's look at some size comparison. Let's go ahead and compare it to the Mini Iridium. Just in size here. A little bit longer than the Mini Iridium. And let's compare it to the Gen 1 Wug Out. Oh goodness, they are so similar. In fact, the liners almost look the same. I bet they just, yeah, very similar liners. I've tuned this sucker up a little bit. Okay, let's get a length on this guy. So overall length, looking at about 7.5, with your blade length being about 3 1/4. Handle length about 4 1/4. It's adding up. Let's get a weight on this guy. 2 ounces. That is pretty light. 2 ounces. See out of the box. I mean, it cuts cardboard. Let's look at the, I believe this one's called the Sonder, the Ozark Trail. You can see, I bet that spacer will fit in there. I bet that spacer might fit in the Kershaw too. Look at that. I mean the little plate. I bet the pocket clips on all these would be able to be swapped around if you really wanted to. Not as smooth as ice though. Alrighty guys, that's the virenknife. I'm not sure that it has a name. If I find out, I'll put it in the description. Like, subscribe, comment if you've got this knife. I'll put the Amazon link to this knife if you want to pick one up. Support the channel. Thanks guys.